Hello, YouTubers. This is Eric from Eazy Computer Solutions, and this is the OnePlus 2.
Hey, we're glad you made it. Carl will be here in just a second. He's right over there.
Okay, thanks. I'll see you there. So welcome to a special day of firsts and a notable second for OnePlus. As you can see, we're doing the world's first product launch in virtual reality, and it's also one of the first launches done together with our users. We chose this format for a very special reason. Our users are a part of our family. We're in this together. There isn't some wall between OnePlus and OnePlus fans, and therefore I thought it wouldn't make sense to stand on some stage and talk down to you guys. That's the old way of doing things. Instead, we wanted to invite you to our office and launch our new product with us, shoulder to shoulder, side by side. But first, let's make clear of something. OnePlus was never conceived as a product, but rather as an idea. And today, we're taking that idea one step further. We didn't start OnePlus with grand ambitions. We just wanted to make something cool. Wait a moment. But now it's time to talk about what comes next. And it's a difficult question that we constantly ask ourselves. We are young, we lack experience, but after shipping more than 1 million devices, you learn a thing or two. And now our challenges are much bigger than before. The whole world expects much more from OnePlus. To be honest, when we started this company, we had no idea where this would all lead to. We thought that we could do better than what was currently out there in the market, and we focused on creating amazing products. But lately, we have been thinking, talking, and debating on not just how to make a better product, but on how to do something more meaningful. And we still think that a phone can change the world. So what does that mean for OnePlus? Specs are boring. Specs are the least interesting part of any product. But when you always talk about never settle, you can't cut any corners. So of course the OnePlus 2 has some of the best specs available on the market. For the processor, we went straight to Qualcomm's top, the blazingly fast Snapdragon 810. The OnePlus 2 also has 4GB of DDR4 RAM, 64GB of storage, a 5.5-inch 1080p display, and a 3300 milliamp battery. So thank you to Christian, Oliver, and Ali for telling us about the OnePlus 2. There's a lot more to talk about. I want to share with you what sets the OnePlus 2 apart and also what sets the future direction for our industry. One of such things is USB Type-C. So the OnePlus 2 comes with a USB Type-C port and a cable. And what this means is that you can charge your phone in either orientation, like this. But also, and this is 100% unique to OnePlus, the other side of the USB cable is also reversible, and it's one of our patents. The USB Type-C standard sets you ahead of the curve and also makes sure that your OnePlus 2 is future-proof for years to come. And a small, simple adapter allows you to use your old cables and accessories with the OnePlus 2. Our phones have become an extremely important part of our lives. It's a collection of things that matter the most to us: people, photos, and information. Nowadays, losing your phone is more devastating than losing your keys. You want to keep your phone secure, but how do you balance the conflict between security and convenience? You want to protect yourself and your data, but you don't want the annoyance of having to unlock your phone multiple times a day. Our solution, the OnePlus 2, comes with a fingerprint sensor, and not just any sensor. Our sensor is extremely easy to use, allows you to store up to 5 fingerprints, and a simple press takes you to the home screen. Oh, did I say it's fast? It's super fast. Faster than on iPhones, and it's secure. So let's do a demo. Hey, David.
Sorry, sir.
Which brings us to another point. It's not uncommon for the need to suddenly arise to silence your phone, and you don't always have the ability to do so. To unlock your phone, find the right menu, and silence it, especially not when you're filming the first virtual reality launch. So what we've done is we made a dedicated hardware switch, something we call the alert slider. So alert slider allows you to toggle from no notifications to priority notifications to all notifications while the phone is still in your pocket. David, time to upgrade.
Thank you.
So what's I going to talk about? All right, I want to talk about the style swap covers. So style swap covers allow you to customize the back of your phone in different beautiful materials. The OnePlus 2 comes with our signature sandstone black style swap covers, but this time around we made 4 additional covers in premium materials. In addition, we changed the style swap system so it's much faster and more intuitive to use than last time. Let's do a demo. Lucy, Brayden, you guys ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna set a timer on my phone. Okay, ready, set, go. See, mere seconds. Let's talk about the software that powers the OnePlus 2, Oxygen OS. Today, Android offers a great user experience out of the box, and we didn't want to reinvent the wheel. We believe that users place things like stability, performance, and battery life above gimmicky features, so that's what we chose to focus on with Oxygen OS, a powerful Android experience. To be clear, Oxygen OS is not pure Android. We made subtle changes on top of the OS, but made sure that every change we made added a significant value to the user experience. Let me go through a few of those. We've always been about user freedom and customization, and it's no different with Oxygen OS. And with dark mode, you can quickly turn your entire system UI dark with a flick of the switch. With color mode, you can quickly fine-tune the accent colors throughout your system. In addition, Oxygen OS natively supports icon packs in many different formats, allowing you to drastically change the look and feel of your device with a simple switch. There's also features like fine-tuning your LED indicator and your icon grid size, and more. We've also built a brand new, beautiful camera app into the OnePlus 2. It's simple, but loaded with powerful features. And there's also a super resolution mode that allows you to take 50 megapixel camera photos in stunning clarity. Slow motion mode allows you to capture slow motion videos in up to 120 frames per second. And there's also an automatic time-lapse mode. Security was a huge focus when building Oxygen OS. With app permissions, you can fine-tune just exactly what each and every app has access to. Things like location, contacts, and identity. Is there an app notification that's bothering you? Turn it off. It's your phone. Don't let it be controlled by your apps. So I'd like to summarize the OnePlus 2 in 4 concepts. 1. Better specs than anything out there. With a Snapdragon 810, 4GB of DDR4 RAM, 64GB of storage, a large 3300 milliamp battery. It's got one of the best 5.5-inch 1080p displays in terms of color and calibration, and also got LTE dual SIM support globally. This thing is beyond powerful and will be future-proof for years to come. Number 2, one of the best cameras in both daytime and nighttime. With a large 1.3 micron sensor, it lets in much more light than before. And with the OIS sensor, it compensates for shakiness, allowing you to take much clearer photos. And the laser focus makes sure you never miss that shot again. So I'm really looking forward to traveling with the OnePlus 2 and taking a lot of amazing shots. 3, gorgeous design. No distracting logos on the front or tacky textures on the back. The OnePlus 2 comes in subdued colors with our signature sandstone black texture. This thing is a beauty. The first time you see it and every time thereafter. And finally, features and innovations from the future. USB Type-C, the fingerprint sensor, our patented reversible USB, our alert slider, and our style swap covers. I'm sure that our competitors will take note next year. Again, just to summarize, better specs than anything out there. One of the best cameras in both daytime and nighttime. Gorgeous design, and features from the future. the OnePlus 2 is not a flagship from 2015. We call it the 2016 flagship killer. Although we learned a lot from the OnePlus 1, to manage our user experience and manage our risk, we're rolling out the OnePlus 2 with invites. But this time we made a few changes to make the entire process much more seamless. For one, we're more confident about our demand, so we have much more inventory right from the beginning. What this means to you is that it's going to be a lot easier to get an invite. Like now. We also have something we call the reservation list. Simply log into oneplus.net, enter your email, and you'll be in line to get the invite as soon as it's available. Of course, here, we're going to prioritize our early forum members. Everyone that buys the OnePlus 2 will get invites to share, but this time around, it's going to happen a lot faster than before. So by now, you're probably wondering, when can I get my hands on the OnePlus 2? Well, the OnePlus 2 is going to be available for sale in the United States, Canada, India, European Union, and China on August 11th. In Q4 of this year, we're rolling out in Southeast Asia. What? Hey, it's not for now. Thank you for your criticism and expectations. They're not a burden, but rather a badge of honor. We told you to never settle, and we're proud that you're constantly making us question our every move. It's made us better and stronger. We are young, we're still learning, and we are still growing. But just like you, we will never settle.
Hey, guys, can we wrap it up? Oh, we're gonna turn off the lights any minute now.
Oh, it's fine, we're done anyway.
Oh, no.
Huh?
You forgot the price.
Oh, right, the price. What's the OnePlus 2 gonna cost again?
Well, we can look at the other flagship this year. HTC M9, Galaxy S6, iPhone 6. They all cost more than $700 since the OnePlus 2 is a newer and more premium device. So it should cost more than the OnePlus 1.
Yeah, I think I've read rumors on Twitter that it's gonna cost around $500.
Yeah, of course we know why. The OnePlus 2 is a true flagship killer. But never settle. It's time for us to tell you the price of the 64 gigabytes. The OnePlus 2 is...
Huh?
What?
What?
Why?
I've already told you guys, lights out.